This lesson is about the distributive property with division. Let's look at this problem. Joel and 3 friends collected 52 marbles in all. They decided to share the marbles equally. How many marbles will each person get? Well, since there's Joel and 3 friends, that's 4 people, and we want to divide the 52 marbles into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to use these tiles and I'm going to make 4 rows. And I know that I have to use 52 marbles in all, and each tile will represent a marble. So I will have to use 52 tiles to make my array of 4 rows. Now, I'm going to copy these 4 and I'm going to paste them. So now I've got 2 in each row. Well, I know that if I make 10 rows, that's going to give me 40 tiles, right? Because I'll have 4 groups of 10. So right now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. So right now I have 4 rows of 10. So that gives me 40 altogether. I have to get to 52, so now I can add 4 more, so that's 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. And I'm going to change these to a different color. Let's choose red, to show that this is my 4 rows of 10, which gives me 40 altogether. And I'm going to put a big 40 here in the middle so that we can remember that that's 40. And over here, I've got 4 rows. I can shrink that down. And I have got 3 in each row. So the dimensions of my small red array is 4 by 3. Now I know that if I have 4 rows with 3 in each row, that's going to give me 12. So let me copy this so I have a great big number. And I know that this is 12. So since I have 40 in my green array and 12 in my red array, I know that I have 52 marbles in all. Well, each row represents how many each person's going to get. So each person's going to get 10 plus 3 more, so 13. Now let's take a look at what this would look like in symbols and numbers. I started with 52. I don't know what 52 divided by 4 is, but I know that I can break 52 down into a multiple of 10 and 4, which is 40, and then whatever's left over to get to 52, and that's 12. Well, since I'm trying to divide it by 4, I'm going to think, what times 4 times what gives me 40? So let's look at this. 4 times what is 40, and 4 times what is 12. This 4 times blank is going to represent the green array, and this 4 times blank is going to represent the red array. Well, I'm trying to get to 40, so I know that 4 times 10 is 40. And here I know that I'm trying to get to 12. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. Since I have an array with 4 rows and 10 in each row, and another array with 4 rows and 3 in each row, I now know that that's the same thing as having 4 groups of 13. And since 4 times 13 is equal to 52, I can use what I know about the relationship between multiplication and division, and I can then say that since 4 times 13 is 52, that 52 divided by 4 must be 13. This is one way to use the distributive property and multiplication to figure out the answer to a division problem. Now it's time for you to do some practice on your own. If you need to come back and view this video again for a review, you can do that as many times as you'd like.